On the 23rd of June, the Dubai Chamber held its third country focus for this year and explored the investment opportunities in Ethiopia. The business networking event was part of a Chamber initiative launched last year aimed at enhancing the competitiveness of Dubai businesses by introducing them to new investment markets. Attended by a large delegation of businessmen, investors and representatives from private sectors in Dubai and Ethiopia, the event provided an excellent opportunity for all parties to develop relationships with their relevant trade bodies.
To give you some basic statistics about Ethiopia today and where Ethiopia will be heading. Ethiopia today is the second most populous country in Africa, more than 80 million people, next to Nigeria. Ethiopia today is the fifth biggest economy in sub-Saharan Africa, an aggregate GDP on a purchasing power parity basis. And what we expect is over the next 15 years, the Ethiopian economy would go from about 90 billion last year to 472 billion by 2023 in the next 15 years. And it will become the third biggest economy in Africa. The investment strategies of Ethiopia are multi-pronged. One is, of course, Ethiopia has embarked on major infrastructure investment. You may have heard that Ethiopia is starting to build the largest hydroelectric power dam in Africa and one of amongst 10 largest in the world. So continuous investment in infrastructure is one of the objectives of the country. Expand the agriculture sector, move up the value chain. In other words, instead of just producing raw agricultural products, Ethiopia is planning to move up the chain where it produces the value added as well, so it can export. The third element is manufacturing, textile, garments, construction materials, all the things that a large population, educatable, deployable, affordable labor force can do. And that's a very good example for we see in the Chinese and Indians moving their manufacturing base to a certain extent to Ethiopia. The Chinese are building a huge industrial park. I think investors here from the UAE probably can also take a lesson out of that, the Chinese book.
There is already a level of trade and investment relationship between Dubai and Ethiopia. But what makes it much more interesting now is that Ethiopia today represents an economy which is growing very fast. It is already a sizable market with 85 million people and growing. Ethiopia is making a huge investment in infrastructure, healthcare, education, power generation, roads and railways. And all these investments, these huge investments, are creating or rather enhancing the capacity of Ethiopians to produce more and create more wealth.
Presentations were very informative. I mean, especially in the sense of exposing the sectors that were available, and certainly how our business can grow there, expand there, and operate there.
This kind of event, it brings together a lot of business people from the destination country and from the sourcing country or from the trading countries. So this is one forum where you can meet your business partners, your business associates, and which will easily convert into a business.